Hey logo designers, today I wanted to show you how you can batch rename your logo files using a feature of Finder on Mac operating system. So it's very simple. All you need to do is navigate to your folder that has logo package in it. And then we want to switch to a list view, and you can do that by using the keyboard shortcut Command 2 or by selecting the list icon. Then what you can do is you can option click on the drop-down arrow next to your root folder, and this will actually open up every subfolder so that you can see all of the files that are contained within every folder. Now, the next thing you need to do is simply select all of the files that are in this logo package. Now, in this example, I have test at the beginning of every logo file name, and I need to change that to the client name. This was a mistake when I was exporting. So what I'm going to do is just grab everything. I'm going to start with the logo folder at the top and shift click all the way down on the last file, which is way down at the bottom because we've made a lot of files. I will shift click. That selects everything. Now all we need to do is right click and go to rename. Now, you've probably used the rename function before on individual files, but you may not have known that you can actually batch rename your files using this function. So what we're going to do is make sure that this dropdown has replace text, and then I'm going to put in the text that I wanted to find, which was test. That needs to be replaced, and I'm going to replace it with the client's name, which is Leaf. And then I'll go ahead and click rename. And very quickly, you can see that all of these logo files have been renamed with Leaf at the beginning of the file instead of test. Now, it would have taken me a super long time to re-export these with the right name or to go in and rename them one at a time. So as you can see, this is a very simple and easy way to batch rename files and correct any errors that you might have created during the export process. Thanks.